What's up, guys? We're gonna do a leg replacement on a Mossman today, a Masters of the Universe collection. So yeah, we got our Mossman. His legs came off. The rubber band deteriorated and ripped off. So we're gonna get that out of there, get the old one out of there, and then put a new leg band in there. So yeah, I'm gonna kind of show you like a little tutorial video. And, got my water warmed up already. I'm gonna just stick both the legs like a little bit in, since Mossman's legs are like kind of like it's like fabric or moss hair or whatever on it. I want to ruin that. I usually like just fully submerge them, but this time I'm just gonna do the tips. Get those warmed up, and then use a screwdriver. Get these out of here. I can. Okay, there's one popped out. That one's out of there. The second one. Just gotta really get it in the back of it and then pry it out and pop it out. Clean all the junk out of there. Make sure it's all clean. Okay. Then I'm gonna take my band. I'm gonna do the other leg. This is his right leg. Put that in there. I'll take my flathead screwdriver. Let's pry that in there. Make sure it's all the way in there. Need that to be holding tight, because this thing needs to stretch and hold. Try not to tear it. Okay. Just like so. It's holding in there pretty good. And this is his right leg. Mossman's legs are kind of tricky because they almost look identical, but they're not. So you gotta feed this up through, not this first part, but there's a second part in the back. We're gonna send this back through there with our flathead screwdriver. Pop that through there. If I can. Like so. Kind of push his leg up. I'll kind of help, and then go the other side and kind of scoop it. Scoop it and pull it out. Try not to tear it. Work it too hard. They'll come. Gotta move it up to the front. It's a little loose up there. Push his leg in. Reach in and reach in there. Gotta grab his leg. Kind of like using a screwdriver for this part. There we go. Oh. Okay, I like to grab it out like that. I like to take a fork. Let's get the other side of it. I can really like pull it out. Hang on to it without it popping out. Move his arms up a little bit so I can work around here. This is the trickiest part. I'm gonna get this leg a little bit warmed up again here quick before I get to going. Water's pretty warm. Okay. There, got it nice and squishy. Okay, here's the tricky part. Get this other leg on here. Gotta get our other screwdriver ready. Okay. Let's stretch this out. Grab underneath it. Got that stretch. Push his leg in there. this. Kind of just get it started. If I can. This is the trickiest part, and once you get it kind of pushed in there, then grab your screwdriver right away. Gotta push it down in there. Make sure you really gotta push it in there. Get that really pushed in. And there. Voila. Got Mossman all put back together. Look at that. Got his legs on. That's right. Got him standing again. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Woohoo! Mossman standing again. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Hopefully this helps you out.